Hello, today we will guide you through how to change circles on Life360 app. If you're part of multiple circles in Life360, switching between them is quick and simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to move from one circle to another inside the app so you can view the right group, locations, and updates. To begin, open the Life360 app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can clearly see the main screen. This is important because the circle switcher appears near the top of the app, and it may take a moment to become visible if your connection is slow. If needed, give the screen a second to refresh before continuing. Once the app is open, look toward the top area of the screen for the current circle name. This is the section that shows which circle you're viewing right now. Tap on that circle name at the top of the screen. This opens the circle selection menu where you can see the other circles linked to your account. After tapping the current circle, a list of available circles should appear. From there, select the circle you want to change to. Simply tap the name of the circle you'd like to open. Once selected, Life360 will switch over and display information for that specific circle. As the new circle loads, you should see the app update to reflect that group's members and details. This is a good way to confirm that the change was successful. If you belong to several circles, taking a quick look at the name shown at the top of the screen can help you verify that you are now in the correct one. If the circle list doesn't appear right away, try tapping the top section again carefully, since it can sometimes be easy to miss. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you expect to see a specific circle, but it isn't showing up. In some cases, closing and reopening the app can help refresh the list. That's all it takes to change circles in Life360. Open the app, tap the current circle at the top, and choose the circle you want to switch to. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very easy and only takes a few seconds. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you navigate between circles more confidently in the Life360 app.